If you're hungry, come to Cambodia's world's greatest food. We are different from other food. We are not America, China, or Russia. We are Cambodia. You can find us at Roy City, Rockwall, Greenville, and other nearby places. Our food and drinks are cheap. That's why you should eat at our food truck.